Perfect naman yung pinipili niya. Nababawan na ako eh.
Sadyang
Ay, ito! Nag-exam siya.
Copy this.
Nag-exam siya. Pag-uwi.
Hindi right.
Kwento niya sa amin yan. There's something there, something like this.
I'm getting all coins. It's hard for other players.
Pero nag-isip ni ate na ang palaya yun.
I must.
So sabi ni ate, what is your answer? The choice is there is flour and bitter only. Sabi niya, no. Ay, sige.
Yo! Yo!
Salty and sour. Sabi niya, the choice is there is salty and sour only. Sabi niya, ate, sigurado ka, yeah, it's only salty and sour. Sabi ko, pag nakita namin na yung flavor, sabi ni ate, may bitter naman pala, Erzo eh. Ate,
Oh!
mali niya. Alam niyang mali niya. Alam niya kung ano yung problema. Sabi niya, there's something like this. There. But the choices daw, pati yung choices, in-explain niya pa sa amin, it's only salty and sour. Sabi niya gano'n. No bitter daw doon. So, alam niya bitter, pero sinasabi niya wala daw bitter. Pero, sinasabi niya lang
Yo, ¿qué pedo?
Ma'am!
choices. Sabi ko kay ate, sabihan tayo natin na ang salty and sour yung
Tama.
natin.
Sí, es cierto,
Or baka
maestro.
nasa isip niya,